Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? Today I'm going to give you a quick start guide on how to start a scuba gear store online. Due to platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, people are constantly sharing their favorite vacation and diving spots all over the world. These videos are generating a lot of interest in diving, and now the scuba industry has experienced major growth. If you're looking to make some money and make a difference in a scuba diver's life, you should consider starting a scuba diving gear store online. So let me break down the stats for you. Last year, there were 2.6 million people who participated in scuba diving. Globally, the scuba market is expected to reach $3.5 billion by 2025. You can buy wholesale scuba equipment in bulk for as low as $5 and resell them online for $30 or more. So where's your piece of the pie? Scuba divers are always looking for reliable companies to buy their gear from, and that's where you come in. So how do you get started? Let's jump right in. So there are two methods to start this kind of business. You can set it up as a dropship store where someone else is responsible for shipping the goods to the customer, or you can buy, store, and ship out your own inventory. Once you choose a method, you can now proceed to step one. If you have no idea how a scuba gear store operates, or you're a first-time online business owner, I recommend getting a business plan created from Fiverr. What they'll do is create a custom business plan that outlines exactly how your business is supposed to work and what you should expect. So whether you choose the dropship method or to buy your own inventory, the supplier research process is still exactly the same. You'll need to find a scuba gear supplier to get all of your products from at a discount. So if you want to get started right away and you don't have a lot of money to buy inventory, you'll want to head over to Google and type in these words: dropship scuba gear. This will give you access to thousands of products to sell in your online store right away without actually needing to buy any of them. If you do have some money and you want to manage your own inventory and keep products in your own warehouse to ship, just Google the words wholesale scuba gear. And as you can see, the listings will actually change, and then from here, you can find a company to buy in bulk from. Now that you've got all that sorted, it's time to officially register your business. You won't be able to buy wholesale scuba gear or even work with a dropship supplier until you complete this step. You'll need to register and apply for a federal EIN number and form an LLC or a corporation. And depending on what state you're in, you'll likely also need a reseller or retail merchant certificate as well. This is going to allow you to buy products tax-free. I recommend using my corporation as I do have a wide variety of packages to choose from, but their most basic package will get you started right away. Now, since you're going to be getting all of this money, you'll need somewhere to put it. It's pretty easy to open a business bank account, but they won't get you set up without having the legal incorporation paperwork and the EIN number that I just spoke about. You can work with a local bank that you're already using, or you can just choose a new one. And if you haven't heard of Square, they also have a business banking department who can get you set up right away, and the best part of it all, the checking accounts are free. So the next step is to buy website hosting. You can actually choose any provider that you're familiar with, and I know a lot of them are out there, but I always recommend choosing Bluehost because they are the most reliable for e-commerce websites and startup stores. You'll get a free domain, a free SSL certificate, and you'll get access to 24/7 tech support, so you really can't beat it. Once you pay for the plan with Bluehost, you'll get your login credentials. You want to save that information and then deliver it to the website designer in the next step. If you don't know about Fiverr, it's a company that sells affordable website development and marketing services that get done really, really quick. All you need to do is type in what you want in the search bar, and then it will reveal tons of people who are willing to help you get your website set up in less than 3 days. I would highly recommend that you make a list of websites that you really, really like that are for scuba diving and send those to the website designer to get a quote. Once you choose the person that you want to work with, go ahead and give them the Bluehost details and communicate your vision and your plans for the website. So while they're working on your new website, you'll need to activate what we call a merchant account for your customers to actually pay you through. A lot of businesses use PayPal, Square, or Stripe. I personally like Square. They make it super easy for me to accept payments online. I can accept payments on my email, over the website, over the phone. And the account with Square is absolutely free. So once you sign up, give these details to the website designer to complete the payment integration process. Finally, you'll need to start spreading the word about your business. And a good place to start is to go ahead and get a logo, some business cards, and your online marketing materials created. For this, I've got 3 resources for you. You can choose what fits your budget and fits your timeline. For branding, I really like to use 99 Designs because their process is really quick, really simple, and they'll actually give you what you want. There's another company that's called Envato. They have tons of graphics and flyers for each and every single kind of business. And then there's Canva Pro, which is a graphic design tool for beginners. But this tool comes with a lot of templates, just a whole bunch of different things so that you can create your own logos and your own marketing materials on the go. Okay, so now that you're all set up, how will you actually make money? Here's what you'll need to know in order to take a check to the bank. Since you now own a scuba store, you can choose from a variety of items to sell. Can you guess which ones are the most popular and the most profitable? Here they are: scuba wetsuits, scuba regulators, scuba fins, and scuba masks. And to make even more money, you can also sell tanks, valves, and underwater cameras. Now, I know what you're probably wondering. What's the price tag on this baby? Startup costs for this kind of business using the drop shipping method are usually anywhere from around $700 to $2,000 on average. But if you're planning to fund your own inventory, please be prepared to drop the big bucks. If you like this business idea and you want to know where to get all the products from at the discounted price, the link to the vendor list is at the bottom of this video. I'm also giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. If I can help you in any way, please let me know. And if you have a minute, please leave a comment on this video. Each and every single comment helps boost the video up in the YouTube search results. If you know somebody who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.